Effective IAM with Amazon Web Services is for engineers with practical responsibility for securing AWS cloud deployments. These practitioners actually create and review security policies for applications and infrastructure. They often define security architecture, sometimes unknowingly. They usually have titles like Cloud, DevOps, Site Reliability, and Cloud Security Engineer or Architect. Whatever their titles, these people feel the weight of responsibility to secure AWS deployments and the pain of AWS IAM's complexity. And it's heavy. Identity is the system you use to authenticate users and authorize them access to the AWS services and data needed to do their job. Engineers manage access to cloud resources using the AWS Identity and Access Management System, AWS IAM. But effective identity management is hard and getting harder. AWS identity security is complex, the number of IAM identities are increasing, and cloud deployments change quickly. If you struggle to deliver effective AWS security policies, or find yourself staring at an incoherent mess of security policies in many accounts, this book is for you. This book will help you understand why AWS IAM is hard and how to leverage IAM's best features to secure apps and data continuously. It will help you design, develop, review, and deliver better AWS security policies quickly and confidently. What this guide is and what you'll learn. This guide describes a practical strategy and tactics to simplify the incredibly powerful and complex AWS IAM service into something your whole organization can use safely. You will learn how to leverage the best parts of the AWS IAM security service to solve difficult security and governance problems, simplify AWS IAM into a set of secure and composable building blocks in infrastructure code so you can deliver changes quickly. You'll learn to verify AWS IAM security policies, protect as intended. You'll also learn how to secure IAM continuously at any scale. Effective IAM is written for people who, 1, use Amazon Web Services, develop or review IAM security policies frequently. You must protect data and implement access controls, particularly least privilege. Use infrastructure code tools and libraries to automate configuration. These activities are painful in many organizations, and this book will help you get the job done. If you don't perform these activities directly, you will learn how to work with those who do or even decide to join them. This guide does not cover all of AWS security or even all of IAM. That scope is entirely too large for a practitioner's guide and dulls the focus needed to build effective IAM implementations. Effective IAM will not cover the complete set of AWS IAM features. It's over 800 pages. Implementing a complete IAM infrastructure code library, network security, auditing logs, incident response. Those topics are all important but complementary to a solid IAM foundation. This guide will help you design and implement IAM so that you can do each of those things better. We'll describe what the interfaces of infrastructure code libraries should look like so they are usable by non-experts and composable into delivery pipelines. We'll point to the best implementations of these ideas. Additionally, we'll show how well-architected IAM integrates with and improves AWS network security, auditing, and incident response. My name is Stephen Kensley, and I've built, delivered, and operated applications and infrastructure for more than 20 years in high-tech manufacturing, banking, and e-commerce. I have a bachelor's in systems engineering, and I'm always working on the bottleneck constraining delivery. In 2014, I went all in on delivering applications using infrastructure code, Docker containers, and cloud, specifically AWS. I led several large migrations to AWS using those technologies as an architect and implementer. Those migrations succeeded, but the hardest part was always getting security right, particularly IAM. No one understood how to create good IAM security policies for people and applications, verify they work as expected, and deliver changes at the speed of continuous delivery. I interviewed more than 50 other practitioners so far and found they have similar problems. In 2019, I launched K9 Security to solve those problems and make AWS IAM usable for cloud teams. K9 helps cloud teams deliver apps securely with usable automation and insightful IAM access audits. But this guide is not a product pitch. Instead, I'll share insights into the problems at the intersection of AWS IAM, infrastructure code, and continuous delivery that frustrate so many cloud teams, and proven solution to those problems regardless of which tools you use. Let's go fast safely.